Today we have a 1992 Land Rover Defender, 2.5 turbo diesel with a manual transmission. For this deep dive and drive, we're going to look at three main categories: eyes, ears, and legs. Starting with eyes. This truck has had a full frame-off restoration, so the overall quality is tip-top. On the exterior, Monza red paint, paired with the baseball glove interior, absolute knockout combination. Up front, you have your ARB metal front bumper, XRC power winch, and a full snorkel. For a full description list on this truck, visit us at earthmotorcars.com. I'll put a link in the description below. And away we go. So as far as the ears go, it definitely sounds like you would expect something like this to sound. I mean, it is a 2.5 liter turbo diesel, so lots of turbo noise. Kind of sounds like, I remember back in the day, a school bus going down the road. Absolutely crisp. I can tell that whoever did the rebuild on this motor definitely did a good job. I don't hear any unnecessary lifter noise or anything strange coming out of the motor, which is good. This has got to be the beefiest sounding 2.5 liter ever made. Now, I definitely say, as far as eyes go, this is an absolutely beautiful example of a 92 Land Rover Defender. This red definitely pops. The big snorkel coming out front makes it look aggressive. Roof rack, the tires, the bumper up front with the winch. The thing looks badass. For ears, it sounds the way it should. It's a 2.5 liter turbo diesel. Definitely a lot of turbo whistle. Gotta have that. Now for the legs, definitely not a dragster. This is an off-road vehicle. Now today we're not gonna go do any off-roading. This vehicle is for sale, so I can't just go out and thrash on it like I would love to. However, I can tell you the restoration was done completely correct on this. It was designed to perform, and that's exactly what it's going to do. I'd say for legs, it's got it. It's running really good. I've got no complaints here. No complaints. That's it for today's off-road edition of Deep Dive and Drive. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. We got more coming at you. Leave a like. Tell me in the comments what you guys want to see next. Any suggestions for me? Absolutely. If it's nothing too crazy, I will do it. Until then, we'll see you next time. Y'all be good.